love having fun together. But wait, Achoo, oh dear, it looks like Terry the T-Rex has a big, big sneeze. Terry sneezes again, a gentle, poofy cloud coming out of his nose. And listen, cough, cough. Poor Bronte has a tickle in her throat. Even Spike the Stegosaurus isn't feeling so spiky today. He's all droopy.